I'm Robert Corto, creator of Think Fungi, president of the Automycological Society, and the instructor for our upcoming cultivation workshop. Have all the growing items delivered right to your door, then follow along as I guide you through a 3-month journey growing mushrooms from scratch. Over 3 months, we'll have 5 live classes to cover the hands-on stages of the growing process. In addition, you'll be part of an exclusive online classroom so that everyone can learn from all the questions asked by all the students. As your instructor, I'll be available throughout the entire 3 months to answer any of your questions, provide troubleshooting, and even provide one-on-one feedback. You'll get lifetime access to this classroom, including all the resources shared, all the Q&A, and all the recordings of the live sessions. This is a great experience for anyone who's ever bought a spray and grow kit. Take it to the next level, learn a ton, and get a much better bang for your buck. The class begins February 11th, but you'll want to register as soon as possible to ensure the kit gets delivered before the workshop begins. Plus, if you're early enough, you can save quite a bit with our early bird pricing. Head on over to thinkfungi.org to register, and much love to you and yours this holiday season.